Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the penguin. So let's get begin. I am going to make the penguin with number 5. So let's try with me. Wow, it is so easy to draw with number 5. Let's draw the eyes of penguin. Now friends, come and let's color the penguin together. First I color the gray. Are you guys coloring with me? Now color his belly with yellow. Then lastly, I color the red. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.